Do you also want to change your video background to something like this? Or this? Or this? Or something else? I'm going to show you how you can turn your boring video background to an aesthetic one in just a few small steps and for free. My name is Ash, also known as Photo Walker. I create videos around content creation hacks and photography. And if you're into any of those things, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again in your feed. Alright, so let me show you how you can change your video background. The first thing you want to do is film yourself. Make sure you have a plain background or maybe use a curtain to hide your clutter. Trust me, this will be helpful later. Also try to limit your hand movements and don't do a lot of this. Now take a screenshot from your video. Now go to Google Gemini app or log in Google Gemini on your browser and upload that screenshot. We will now write a prompt, but you should definitely know a few things you need to include in your prompt. For example, my prompt looks like this. I'm creating a YouTube video and this is the current situation of my recording room. I want you to create a background that I can use to replace my background during my editing process. The background should have matching lighting, have the same wall color, have depth, look minimal and aesthetic, have a content creator studio vibe, have 16:9 aspect ratio. You can also use 9:16 if you're into vertical videos like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Be at least 1080p. This prompt will generate a background that will match the lighting of your original video recording and will look much better. Something like this. You can keep playing with the AI and generate anything that you want, anything that you can think of. For example, a gaming room, or maybe Batman's lair from the Christopher Nolan movies. It totally depends on your imagination and prompting. And now go to your CapCut app or any other editing software that you're using. I will use CapCut for this example because this is one of the most famous apps for phone. After opening the app, you have to tap on New Video. First, select your video and then hit Add. Then find this option called Remove Background and then select Auto Removal. The effect will take a few seconds to apply. Once it is done, you can hit anywhere on the blank area to deselect your video. And now you have to find this option called Background. Tap on the image button and then hit this plus button to select the background of your choice and then hit OK. Your background has been applied. Just make sure you delete the CapCut ending at the end of your timeline before exporting your video. That's it. Now you can create your videos with more confidence without worrying about your messy background or the clutter. If you were able to learn anything from this video, then please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Also, let me know in the comments what other hacks you want to see and I will create those videos for you. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and share the love.